Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the first tag I have ever done on my channel. So it is the perfect subscriber tag. It was created by a girl named Kitty Marie, and I saw Jessica Braun do it. That's the video that I saw originally, and she's one of my very favorite YouTubers, so I thought it would be fun to do this one myself. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Basically, this tag was created to see if content creators are good subscribers. And as soon as I saw Jessica do the video, I was intrigued and started thinking about my own answers, so I figured it'd be fun to do this video. So I have all the questions pulled up. There are 13 questions. So let's start. The first question is, do you subscribe right away when you find a new channel or video, or do you try a few videos first? So if I see somebody that I like, usually I'm either searching for something or I have it in my suggested based on other videos that I watch. Generally, if I start watching them and I really like their personality, I will subscribe right away, but I also will unsubscribe if I notice that they don't post content that I like. Like if it was like an off video that I just happen to see, but then the majority of their content is other things that I'm not interested in, then I will unsubscribe. So I guess I'm like fast to subscribe, but also fast to unsubscribe, because I hate going in my subscription feed and just seeing endless amounts of videos that I don't want to watch. I think that's kind of like the opposite of the point of it. So yeah, I do subscribe right away, but if they don't post content I'm interested in, I unsubscribe too. The second question is, does the make sure you subscribe mantra ever sway you to subscribe? So I don't know if it does or not. I feel like it's kind of like subliminal messaging at this point. It's like everyone says it, and so I think I just assumed that they said it and I'm already going to subscribe if I want to. So I don't know if it actually sways me to. I think it probably did when I first started watching YouTube years ago, because I wasn't as familiar with it, and truthfully a lot of my friends don't even really know that you can subscribe to channels, or if it costs money to subscribe, or kind of like the details about it. Some of them want to support me because I'm trying to grow my channel, and they ask me if it costs money to subscribe. So I think if people are new to YouTube, it maybe sways them, but then once you're kind of avidly watching YouTube, it just is something that you hear and assume people say, but you already know it and are going to either way. The third question is, how many channels do you have the notification bell on for? And that is 0. It's the exact same answer as Jessica. It cracked me up when she said that because she thought it was so weird, but I'm on YouTube all the time. I am always on all of my social media. I'm on my phone like all day long just because of my job. So I don't want extra notifications or extra emails or anything like that, because I'm already going to see it. I'm already on YouTube all the time. I'm already on social media. I follow the people on different platforms that I follow on YouTube, so I generally know when a new video goes up anyway. So for me, I don't think that I need to have it on to still see the videos pop up in my subscription box. The fourth question is, do you watch every video in your subscription feed or only your favorites? I certainly have a few YouTubers that I don't like 80% of their videos, but I'm still subscribed to them because there are that 20% that I really want to watch and I don't want to miss. So I will skip through a lot of that in my subscription feed if they're talking about, like, a couple of them have really good tips for like editing, especially when I was starting out with editing. There was one girl that was really good with tips on editing, but then she also was in high school, and I'm 32, so I don't really need to watch like her high school morning routine, because that is like, you know, a lot of time in my past. So there's people like that who I would watch for like business tips or something, but then the majority of their content is something that I'm just not interested in. So I definitely do not watch every video in my subscription feed, but there are, I mean, I watch a lot. I watch more YouTube than I watch TV or anything else. That's the main source of the content I consume. Question 5 is, how many channels do you never miss an upload for, no matter how busy you are? So there are a handful of channels that I watch every single one of their videos, whether it's something I'm interested in or not, but I don't necessarily watch it the day that it goes up. If I'm super busy and I don't have the time to watch it, obviously I'm not going to watch it, but then I'll go back. I'll usually either add it to my watch later, or I'll go back in my subscription feed and catch up on their videos if I have missed some and was too busy to watch. But Kathleen Lights, Nicole Guerrero, and Jessica Braun are probably the only 3 people that I watch every single video. And I've noticed that sometimes they'll do videos on things that I am just completely not interested in, and I will still watch them because I really love their personalities. Number 6, what kind of commenter are you? I rarely comment on videos. I read the comments a lot. Generally, if I'm watching and I'm not doing anything else, I'm down in the comment section reading the comments, but I'm not good at commenting on people's stuff, which I feel like I should be way better at that. So that's gonna be something I'm gonna start working on, because I know how much I appreciate comments, especially as I'm trying to grow my channel. So I should be commenting more. Number 7, do you skip or watch ads? So I don't know if this is bad or not, but I watch the ads for the people that I really like, but I skip the ads for people that I'm just like meh about, which I feel like maybe that's rude, but I like really want to support the people that I really love watching, but I guess I also am busy, and if I'm paying attention, I will skip through just because I'm busy doing stuff. But a lot of the time I have a bunch of videos on watch later and they will just go through and play. So if that's the case and I'm like cleaning and my phone is set down somewhere and it's just playing, then the ads will just roll through and play all the way through. This might be really weird too, but a lot of times I'll set up a playlist or like a watch later list and fall asleep to it, and so that's another case that the ads will just completely play through because I fall asleep to YouTube a few nights a week. Number 8 is, do you speed up videos? So I never realized until maybe like a year ago that people actually watch videos on fast forward. Like there's a little setting that you can watch somebody's video in like 1.25 or like 1.5 speed so that you can get through the video quicker and like still watch the content. I have never done that. I feel like it'd be really weird, and I think the videos that I'm watching, I'm either watching, there's a lot of, I watch a wide array of videos. So there's certain people like the Casey Neistats of the world that I watch, and I love to watch his editing and just the way that he makes his videos, even though it's not necessarily something that I'm like super interested in. Like the actual subject matter of the video might not be something I'm interested in, but I love to watch his videos because they're entertaining and his editing style is just impeccable. But then there's other people's videos who I really want to know what their favorites are or know what their thoughts are on a product or something like that, and I watch people's content also for their personality. So I feel like, I don't know, it'd be weird to not watch it all the way through. Like I enjoy watching it, so if I was just trying to get the answer to something, I think I'd just Google it instead of watching videos. Number 9 is, do you click affiliate links and do you use affiliate codes? So in short, yes. If there's something that I like, I click the link because I want to know where it's from and how I can get it. And if there's a code, then yes, I will use it, because why would I not want to save money? I realize the back end of this job and how people make money, and if I can save money myself and then also support somebody else, then absolutely I will use their code. There's also sometimes that there's like certain brands out there that you know a lot of people have affiliate codes for. So if I'm shopping on that site and I know somebody that I really like has a code, I'll go and try and find a video looking for the code. So I definitely use codes and links if it's applicable. If like somebody has shown me something, then I click through their link, or if I know that there's a brand and I'm shopping on there and I want to use their code, I 100% use their code. Number 10, what is your preference on video length, your sweet spot? So I'm assuming this is when you're watching because it's about being a subscriber. So it depends on the type of video. I like to watch longer vlogs but shorter videos. So like 10 minutes-ish is like my good spot. But if it's somebody I really like and they have a long video, I'll save it for when I'm going to sleep, because I feel like I have more time and I can fall asleep to it and then like pick it up later. But I would say probably 10 minutes. It's funny because I get messages all the time asking for one or the other, like shorten your videos or lengthen your videos, and mine are generally right around that like 8 to 12 minutes. So I average probably right around 10 minutes. I say that, but yesterday I uploaded, I think the longest video I've ever uploaded, which was 23 minutes long. It was insanely long, but yeah, generally they're about 10 minutes. I just feel like that's like a good amount of time to spend being thorough and sharing the details of whatever I'm talking about without talking your ear off and like wasting your time. Number 11, do you thumbs up videos? Yes, I thumbs up tons of videos. So if I like the video or I like the person, I will give it a thumbs up. Number 12 is, do you ever thumbs down a video? No, I have never given a video a thumbs down. If I am not interested in watching the video, then I won't watch it. And if I had constructive criticism to give them, then I might message them privately about it, which I've never done that either. But I wouldn't just give them like a public thumbs down without kind of giving them like a reason why, I guess. If I don't enjoy a video, I'm not going to watch it. So there's that. And then number 13 is, do you share other YouTubers on your social media? Not really. I should do that more because I feel like YouTube is all about growing a community. I've shared other YouTubers in videos, like today, sharing Jessica and Katie, who created this tag, but I haven't actually shared them. Like if I'm on Instagram, I'm not sharing other people's videos. So maybe I should start doing that. I don't know. All right, guys, those are all of the questions. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below if there's any other tag that you want me to do. I think these are really fun. I've actually kind of been trying to convince Adam to do the boyfriend tag with me, which is like total old school YouTube, but I think it'd be fun. So let me know down below in the comments if there is another tag video you guys want me to do. Definitely subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.